Hi everyone, just wanted to make a quick video about the smart feature on a DFK hardcab for the ROXOR. So this is the passenger side door, so it's locked. See, you can see it's locked, but when you go from inside and don't mind the mess here. So you can still unlock it from inside, and if I can scoot to the passenger seat, yep, got it. So it locks, and still you cannot open from the outside. That's a nice safety feature, so nobody from outside can, try to hop in when you're at a stoplight, but you can still let people in when you want. Hope this helps.